Hey Leo, welcome to Dark Eve Tarot. I'm Eve, and we're gonna get you a message. We're looking at fantasy and the Matrix. We're gonna get an oracle card, one oracle card each for each section. Okay, we have number 5 here. Gilded Regret. We're actually going to look in the book here. I almost wonder if this is somebody else's regret. It says, I feel like living in the past. Give me 5 more minutes to linger. Memories are like floating underwater, safe, warm, and murky. Yet they held the scent of death. The cage of our memories is the most gilded, lingering to the past, savoring crumbs and flashes. But is our sword. However is our shield. We follow the river against the currents to a sea of maybes. It sounds a lot like shoulda, woulda, coulda stuff here, Leo. Well, I don't know why this is coming out for you. It's almost like you are being caught up in somebody else's fantasy. The fantasy of how they want to remember things. Except you're a character. You're a part of their kind of embellished, fabricated, delusional story. Ooh. And here's you saying you better tread very carefully. Queen of Pentacles. Dang. Do you taunt people, Leo? Are you taunting much? Because this Queen of Pentacles, she's like dangling that key, that golden key, like, yeah, I got it. I'm sure you want it. There's envy here, Leo, but the envy is like towards your direction. Somebody missed out. This is like something being slept on, right? 4 of Swords. Somebody missed the boat. It's almost like they want to say it's all because of you. They want what you have. See, we have 3 of Pentacles. It's like a card of collaboration, working together. But like in this kind of fantasy right here, it's like they, I feel like this is relied too heavily upon. Like whoever this is that has this fantasy that is they're trying to suck you into their little story, and they can't do things on it seems like they can't do things on their own. They always need others. It's like I don't know if they're riding on the shoulders of others, or they use people. I don't know, but they definitely missed out on something, and they they think you're the reason that it's gone. So let's look at the Matrix. Ooh, Queen of My World. Now this sounds good, but there's some toxicity in this card. All right, Queen of My World. Okay, it seems like there's something that's taking up a lot of your focus here, Leo. It's you see how the background is just completely white, like there's no the trees are white, the branches are white, the columns are white, everything's just it's like grayed out kind of. I mean, like you're still fabulous, right? You're still fabulous, but the focus is being taken away from a whole lot of things in your environment. Like a gray, like a gray ashen landscape. Why is that? Now, are you like disassembling the Matrix? Is that what you're doing? Oh wow. So we have the Six of Wands here, but what's interesting about the picture is that it's not so much about you getting all the attention, you being the celebrated one or whatever, Leo. Even though that's nice, and you're not a stranger to that feeling, right? But it's not about that. Even though this says Queen of My World, it's like that's the point. It's your world. You can be queen of your world. You are not obligated to be queen of their world. Does that strike something? Does that make sense? See, now this hermit here actually looks like the neighborhood watch or something. And like a neighborhood watch to me, it's nosy people. It's like they're hiding out in the shadows. They're lurking about. I mean, almost like not spying on you, but busybody, nosy people that are not minding their business. I'm not getting like the hermit meaning from this. I'm getting neighborhood spy, you know, like watchers. Perhaps it's just someone like living vicariously through you. I mean, it could even be the same person that missed the boat up here. Meanwhile, you're focused on something extraordinary here. You're kind of disassembling some kind of matrix, like explaining to people that hey, like you can do this for yourself, but I'm not going to do it for you. And we have a trapping. We have a trapping here. So the Eight of Swords is usually about some self-imposed kind of traps, usually of the mental variety. But there's something tangible about the photo here. I mean, it really looks like someone being caged in and either being forced to look at something, um, but without being able to do anything about it. It's like damned if you do, damned if you don't kind of thing. And sometimes when you're dealing with people, um, that kind of comes along with it. I don't know if you've ever had a job where you have been like a manager or supervisor or whatever. You're managing a team of people. And really the most difficult thing about being a manager is it's like the people, or you know what I mean? It's not the work, it's not the job. It's the people. Ooh, you have double 8. So 8 of swords, 8 of wands. It's them. Okay, so the 8 of wands. A lot of times I will see that as incoming messages, like a lot of incoming messages. Like if you're at work, it's like just email after email after email, or like all these texts coming on your phone, or all these notifications and blah blah blah. But like, let's just say incoming messages. Well, in this card, it looks as if all of the messages have already landed, Leo. The messages have already come in. And they came in such a way that it's almost like there's now like a barrier. I don't know if like you had enough and you kind of block, like, okay, time to block. But you have successfully blocked out some unnecessary, I don't know, maybe it's just like the peanut gallery or whatever. Unnecessary gossip, unnecessary chatter, because you're quite serious over here disassembling your matrix. Interesting. I kind of want to peek in more, but I don't want to be too nosy. So, Leo, this is your message. Thanks for being here. I'll see you next time.